A message from Wells Fargo. Unusual activity detected on your Wells Fargo account. Alright, so I want to tell you if this is real or if it's fake and how you can tell. Now, you may have gotten this from Wells Fargo or Bank of America or Chase or some other big bank. So let me go ahead and read this. Your account has been restricted. Dear customer, after recent review of your account, we suspected unauthorized access by a third party to your online banking account. As a precaution, safeguarding the security of your account should be the top priority, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so if you get an email like this, a couple of red flags to look for. First of all, a bank is never going to send you an email like this for a link for you to click. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is basically a scam, and this is a third party trying to get your banking account information. And there's multiple ways to do it, but you go ahead and confirm your identity. You give access to the scam company to your account, and then you type in your account number, and then they'll have it. You don't want that. So a couple things to look for immediately. As you can see here, it says, "Dear customer." Okay, if the bank is contacting you for any reason via email, they're going to say your name. So if your name's John Doe, it's going to say "Dear John Doe" or "Dear Mr. Mr. Doe." They're not going to say "Dear customer." And of course, the reason it says that, or they might actually use your email address instead of your name. So, for example, if your email address is johndoe@gmail.com, they'll actually put the full email address on there because they do have access to it because they have your email address. That's another way to tell it's fake. So if they say "Dear customer" or "Dear your email address," you know it's fake. And number two, they're never going to ask for your identity, or they're not going to have you click on a link. And then thirdly, if you look at the to address from who it's from, you'll notice how they spell Wells Fargo. They spell it W-E-I-L. So anything like that you're going to know is a little bit funky. So what you want to do is, first of all, if you've accidentally clicked on the link, don't panic. Try to go ahead and disconnect your internet router, or disconnect the Wi-Fi or the internet from your laptop or your computer. That way someone doesn't have immediate access to it now. And then if you have an antivirus, go ahead and run the antivirus while you're not connected to the internet, and then restart, and then you should be good to go. Most likely, if you click this address here, your computer's not going to let you go to that link, especially if you have an antivirus. But yeah, so don't be alarmed. If you want to get in your bank account, you go directly to your bank account, whether it's bankofamerica.com or wellsfargo.com, and then go in there. And then if there is some kind of alert or inactivity or whatever, you want to see a message when you log into your account. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.